Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and one of the things that is going to change soon, and it might not make everybody happy, is concerning the apps that come from the Microsoft Store. So, of course, Microsoft has a number of apps that it does get from the Microsoft Store, the ones that are core apps on your computer, like Notepad and Paint and so on, are all downloaded and updated through this. Now, one of the options that was available before was the ability to go into your settings and turn off app updates. So this would let Windows update, but all the apps that are from the store would not download updates anymore if you turn this off. Now, the change that is coming is that this is going away. And it's going away because it will be replaced, just like Windows Update, with, if you want to pause updates, it's going to let you pause app updates for a certain number of weeks, but it will not allow you to completely stop updates from the Microsoft Store. Now, the reason why this is, and it's kind of obvious, is security. The Microsoft says that although a lot of the security in Windows comes from the core of Windows itself, apps in the Microsoft Store could also have security flaws. And some of the updates from the apps are actually because of security flaws. So they don't want you to have apps that are too old. So, because it makes the risk of getting malware higher. So that's why they're changing that and will be forcing the updates on everybody through Microsoft Store apps. So this is a change that maybe some of you will not like. I personally don't really care because I've always let the apps update themselves when there was new features and new updates for the apps. So they would do it automatically. But if you like controlling when apps update, it'll be a little more difficult now through the Microsoft Store. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.